together this heavy equipment, not having a lot of energy to pick stuff up or work in the morning. It's always a good idea to maybe get a little bit of a jump start and drink something like this product. Very easy to transport. Just need a little bit of water, maybe feel a little bit more energized. There we go. There we go. You're doing good. You're so good. You're good too. Just wanted to bring the bow out, see what it would do to the anthill. So I thought about setting it on fire, but there is a fire ban, so can't really do it. I really do not want to risk setting a fire out here. So what we're gonna do next is probably gonna pull some posts, some bad looking posts like some over there. Need to be ripped out. The ones that are all bent. Next plan. these out. That one's shot. I don't even know that if that one, probably gonna need a second opinion. This one, I don't really know about that one, so. Might just throw it right here. Okay. I'm gonna see if these guys need water or food. Hungry? Still not hungry. Okay. Hi. So dogs tend to play in that water over there, and we are done taking down the fence. Now we have to roll up the fence from starting from one side, going all the way to the other. So that's the next thing, right? I love having these guys with me. It's kind of nice to have a friend, right? Okay, we're gonna see how far this bow can shoot.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
You never seen a snowball fight like that. So we rolled up fence right here. We're gonna keep doing that. And the start is this time right there. We're there. They're everything. So next up is try right here. What we're doing here is just pushing it along like this. The size of this thing is huge. A little bit way to go. That's one. There you are. Oh, hard work. So that's the biggest one Another big one over there. Now we gotta pull these posts. That'll be fun. who it was. It's you?